In a quiet little village, an old man lived with his 3 sons. The village was peaceful, but the old man's home was not. Every single day, his sons argued about everything. Who would eat first, who should do the chores, who was stronger, who was smarter. No matter how much the old man tried to calm them, the boys just kept fighting. The old man sighed and wondered, how will they ever learn to stay together? The 3 brothers always fought. They argued about everything. Who would fetch water? Who would feed the animals? Even who would sit on which chair? Their loud shouting could be heard all over the village. The father loved his sons very much. But seeing them fight every day made him very sad. He tried telling them stories, tried teaching them lessons, but nothing worked. The brothers kept fighting. After many months, the old man became sick. He was weak and tired, and he worried even more. What will happen when I am gone? He thought, if my sons do not learn to stay together. One morning, the father had an idea. A simple idea, but a very smart one. He decided he would teach his sons one final, important lesson. He called his 3 sons to sit under the big shady tree in their yard. The wind was soft. The birds were singing. And the sons wondered why their father looked so serious. The old man placed 3 thin sticks on the ground. He told each son to pick one up and break it. Snap! Each son broke his stick easily. They all smiled, thinking the task was over. But the old man wasn't done. He brought out a thick bundle of sticks tied tightly with rope. He placed it in front of his sons. It looked strong and sturdy. Try to break this bundle, the old man said. The first son tried. He pulled and pushed, but he couldn't break it. The second son tried next. He squeezed and twisted, but nothing happened. The third son, the strongest, tried very hard, but the bundle stayed strong. The old man smiled gently. He said, just like these sticks. You are weak when you fight alone. But when you stay together, no one can break you. You are strong when you are united. For the first time, the 3 brothers looked at each other quietly. They understood the lesson. They promised their father they would stop fighting and help each other every day. From that day on, the brothers worked together. On the farm, in the house, and in everything they did. Their home became peaceful and full of joy. And the old man finally rested happily, knowing his sons were united. And that is why we say, there is strength in unity.